Meaning of estate sale.
Estate sale.
Estate sale.
Estate sale.
Estate sale. An estate sale is a type of sale where the possessions of someone who has passed away or is moving are sold. These sales can include a wide variety of items, including furniture, artwork, antiques, and household goods. The goal of an estate sale is to sell everything in the home, and the proceeds are often used to settle any debts or distribute the remaining assets to heirs. Estate sales can be held by professional estate liquidators or family members and are a way to quickly and efficiently dispose of property.